Hi. You got some pets? I don't know if this is a high traffic trail or you just wanted to have a conversation, but I mean, good on ya. You want me to pick some grass for you? What's up, girlie? What you doing? Huh? Right, well, good one-sided chat. Maybe I'll talk to you later. All right. Hey, beep, beep. Coming through. There you go, young man. Thank you. Hey. Hi. Hi. Thank you. This guy. This is my log. Get away from my log. Oh, yeah. There are some pretty beefy guys over there. Hi. Yeah, you don't gotta go far. Right there's fine. Thank you. Oh, there we go. Squirrely rat on the trail. Hey, Squirrely.